Why does your scanner show the P0207 engine code? What does it mean? P0207 is a diagnostic trouble code for injector circuit malfunction cylinder 7. This engine code indicates that the engine control module, ECM, or powertrain control module, PCM, has detected a problem with the electrical circuit responsible for the number 7 fuel injector's operation. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel injector, damaged wiring or connectors, PCM or ECM malfunction, shorts or opens in the circuit, bad ground. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Dodge and Chevrolet models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.